Crusaders. This is how I came home from work the other day. I got this box saying Anker-Solix, the world's #1 mobile charging brand. I opened the box. I found another box. Opened that box, and inside was my Anker-Solix C800 Plus portable power station. So excited to be in association with Anker-Solix, with their Adventurers program. So the reason I'm doing this plug-in and trying to get a baseline for how much energy these products are going to take from the Anker-Solix. I have a camping trip coming up the middle of April, and I'm going to see just how much or how long I can run this Anker-Solix without running power over the weekend. After I do this with the IcyBreeze, I'm going to plug in my refrigerator also that I'll take with me when I go overlanding or camping. So let's see what happens, and in the morning I'm going to see just exactly how much energy or how much power of percentage the battery was dwindled, and let's see how it goes. I predict probably about 12 or 13% of the battery. So that would probably bring it down to about 87% or so. So that's my prediction. So let's see how close I am to it. And that's with a fan plugged into it and also the IcyBreeze air conditioner plugged into it. So stay tuned and let's see how close my prediction is. And we'll see what happens in the morning. All right, guys. So last night I had the IcyBreeze going. It was on high speed, extreme cold. I had the pedestal fan going on 2 of 3, and I had the Anker-Solix plugged in all night long, running both of these items. So let's turn the Anker on, because when I got up this morning, I turned it off. So, and let's see what it did. So turning that on. So it's currently at 21%. So I know when I woke up this morning it was at 22%. So it could have been right around 21, 22% this morning. So it used, what's that, 79% of the battery last night, running this on max speed and running the regular 110 fan all night long. So I think in a camping situation where you're able to recharge it, like say solar, this should be good to go. All right, real quick. The night prior to last night's test, I just had the IcyBreeze plugged into the Anker-Solix, the C800 Plus, and I had the IcyBreeze on extreme cold, but I had it on low. The fan was plugged into the wall socket, and that night, I think I used like maybe 12% of the C800 Plus battery. So that's something to think about too if you're in a small space and you don't need a fan, and you have like I'm using the IcyBreeze. That is definitely doable for in a small camper, like a tiny camper or runaway, something like that, or even in a tent like I use a Gazelle tent. So it's totally doable, and if you don't need an extra fan to plug into it, you're definitely going to make it through the night. So this gives me a baseline, so when I do go camping in a few weeks, I know where I'm at. So I just need to get the solar panel that I can set out, or as I'm trail riding through the day, I can plug it into my truck, and I think I'll be good for the next night also. So stay tuned. I'm going to run some more tests on this, and we'll see how the C800 Plus is doing. So far, I am extremely pleased with the C800 Plus, and I can't wait to run some more tests with it, like maybe running the refrigerator all night, or with the IcyBreeze. So let's see what happens. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and God bless, and I hope to see you on your own crusade. Anker-Solix C800 Plus. So far, so good. Thumbs up here, guys. Hey, Crusaders, Daryl here, doing some more baseline testing. We're about to take a road trip for the day up to Georgia, and I have my Anker-Solix C800 Plus fully charged. I have my Euhomy, I think it's a 59 quart fridge, plugged into it. I have it set for 34 degrees. Right now it's currently 71. It started up its cooling, so it's drawing 12.7 volts. So I'm gonna see how well the Anker-Solix C800 Plus does with the Euhomy refrigerator during today. It is 7:26 in the morning, and we should be getting home probably in about 12 hours, if not later. So let's see how it does. So far, very impressed with the Anker-Solix C800 Plus. Let's keep it going. All right, good morning, everybody. So currently it's 6:30 on April 1st, and you can see the refrigerator sitting at 37. I have kept this power bank running since yesterday, and we are currently at 49%. So basically this thing has been running 24 hours, this refrigerator for 24 hours, and I'm still 49%. That's only halfway through. So I'm gonna let this thing run all day today while my wife's at work. We'll see what happens. All right, hey Crusaders, so here it is, Monday night. The refrigerator still showing 37 degrees at 13.2 volts on the eco mode. I plugged the Anker-Solix, or I should say I plugged the refrigerator into the Anker-Solix yesterday morning, so March 31st, and today's April 1st. I plugged it in at 7:30 a.m. and all right, so I'm probably gonna stop it right now. So it's 2%. So I am looking at, it's 8:20. So that would be 37 hours with this refrigerator from fully charged to 2%. So 37 hours, the C800 Plus ran this refrigerator and kept it within 36, 37 degrees. So I think that's pretty impressive. Okay, Crusaders, so this is going to be the end of this trial. So I did the portable AC, and now I did the refrigerator. So I think it's a success. I'm a true believer in the Anker-Solix C800 Plus. God bless, and I hope to see you on your own adventure. And I give Anker-Solix C800 Plus a big thumbs up.